On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. You can send messages for 3 days easily and fast. All what you wanna do, guys, to fix this problem is actually very easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone, and then all what you wanna do next is go to your profile, and then go to the settings. Go to the help option in your settings, and then click on report a problem. Go down, click on report problem without shaking, like this. Now right here on this page, all what you want to do is tell them that I can't send messages for 3 days without any reason. And of course you can send this message just if you actually didn't have any problem or you didn't do anything. Click next, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.